Hi guys, I'm Frela and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're old, thanks for coming. Okay, so today was supposed to be a get ready with me video, and as usual I was late. The appointment is at 11 and I woke up really late. I think it's already 9. I'm still home, so I couldn't film my makeup, my hair and all that. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, you can just drop your comments and I'll get to it. Okay, so I'm always preaching about you don't have to break your bank to look good and all that. So today I'll be going to Legon campus to get my nails done, and I'm going to take you guys along, so stay with me. So guys, right now I'm walking into the hall. I'm at Alexander Kwapon. That's where the girl is, the nail technician. So I'm walking towards the side. I think I'll just end here and I'll let you know when I get there. So right now I'm walking to the girl's room, the nail technician. Right now I'm at the hallway, walking to the room. I used to be here. When I'm going, I'll show you guys my room. I was downstairs. But then the girl was at 370. Should be also here. Let me try that room. I'm not really sure.
Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your
Okay guys, so I just got back home and I decided to do this quick outro. You guys should see the outcome. See, so nice. See, she's a student, guys. She's a student and she's so good. See, I just want you to see for yourself. See, I'll be showing the picture I showed to her and what I had. This is my favorite. See this one. So I'll be leaving her social media handle, her contact, how to contact her. I'll be leaving it in my comment section down below. Okay, so I just got back home and I'm tired. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.